Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make fantastic, delicious orange healthy truffles. The recipe is simple and the sweets are amazing. 4 hours before cooking I soak 160 grams of cashews in cold water. The soak in this recipe is necessary for the delicate creamy texture of truffles. Soak 60 grams of dates in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. If you have hot dates, it may take 15 minutes. Put 50 grams of sugar-free chocolate in a bain-marie with hot but not boiling water. The content of cacao products in chocolate should be 72%. You can melt it in any way you like, but remember not to overheat the chocolate. Drain the cashews. Transfer it to a blender. We also need 1 orange. Use the whole zest and 20 grams of juice. You can take any other juice, for example berry, but it will be great in this case to replace the zest with, for example, freeze-dried berries. It turns out very tasty with strawberries and cherries. Put the zest and juice into a blender. Take out the seeds from the dates. Combine all the ingredients with a blender until smooth. The result is a soft, smooth bulk. Add 8 grams of cacao here and mix again with the blender. The chocolate had already completely melted. Mix it up and add the bulk to it. Mix thoroughly. The result is soft, aromatic chocolate cream. We transfer it to a pastry bag. It will be easy to drop off candy from it. I put sweets on a board covered with clean film. You can use any flat surface that you can easily transfer to the fridge. This method is very simple and convenient. You don't need to sculpt anything. Roll the balls, just put the truffles out of the bag. But if you wanna get round sweets, you can freeze the chocolate bulk, then drop off the portions and roll sweets. These are such gorgeous truffles. Immediately sprinkle the candies with cacao using a sieve. You can also use ground nuts or small freeze-dried berries as sprinkling. Until the candies are frozen and dry, the sprinkling will easily stick to them. We freeze the truffles for 3 to 4 hours until they solidify. We take out sweets. I lift each truffle and sprinkle the bottom with the cacao around it and a little on the side. The sweets are ready. These truffles are moderately sweet. Taste like bitter chocolate with orange, and you can feel the taste and aroma of orange very well. The zest perfectly complemented the rich chocolate flavor of the candies. I recommend you to taste it if you like these combinations. It's incredibly delicious. Remember, this recipe with all measurements is linked in the description box below. Subscribe and share this video. Thanks so much for watching and give me a thumbs up. Bye!